Ceylon tea.
Okay, fine.
In 1867, Sir James Taylor introduced it to Sri Lanka.
Oh, fine.
Sri Lanka is the second biggest tea producer in the world. First one is India country, third one is Kenya. But we are the best and biggest tea exporter. Because annually we are making around 300 million kilos of tea.
Oh,
And 3% enough for the consumption, 97% we export.
oh, that's nice.
Okay? And especially Russia, Middle East, different countries. And in Sri Lanka, we have different type of tea clones. From this, black tea and green tea
Oh,
coming from the same tea clone,
oh, gotcha.
but process different.
Oh, different.
Black tea with fermentation process, green tea no fermentation.
Oh, no fermentation.
No
Oh,
fermentation.
that's I didn't know about that part.
Yeah, because green tea we produce as a healthy drink,
Okay.
herbal tea.
Okay.
Black tea we produce as a beverage
Oh, gotcha.
after fermentation.
Okay. Fermentation. Oh, that's nice.
And these two are the Sri Lankan special kind of tea,
Okay.
golden tips and silver tips.
Oh, fermentation.
Here, color different,
Oh.
coming two different tea clones.
Gotcha.
We use only top part,
Oh, nice.
tip.
Oh, just the
Coffee include caffeine,
Oh, gotcha.
tea include tannin.
Okay. Yeah.
This tip
Tannin.
include 100% natural tannin.
Tannin.
Yeah,
Okay.
tannin is especially against the cholesterol, losing body weight, growing antioxidant, heart diseases, very healthy. Herbal tea, it's golden only Sri Lankan tea clone.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice.
And this factory we produce black tea, golden tea, silver tea.
Gotcha.
But golden tea, silver tea, no process, madam sir.
Gotcha.
This tip drying by sun.
Oh,
Natural.
gotcha. Sunrise.
Sunrise. We protect tannin. Yeah. And here, first step of producing black tea.
Okay.
Black
Gotcha.
tea. We calling withering process.
Gotcha.
Withering means reducing the moisture.
Okay.
Reduce moisture in the tea leaves. Okay. There is a big fan. Fan and air blowing through the tea leaves reduce moisture 18 to 20 hours.
So you have something like underneath these leaves, like that.
Here.
Air can come through this leaves.
Yes, I will show you. Here, come. Come, sir. I will show you. Here. It's air blowing.
Oh, the air.
Air blowing. Normally, we reduce 45 to 50%.
Half of the moisture. Thank you. Bye.